Alright, well today we're back out here at Lake Palestine. I'm gonna give it a shot. Hadn't been out on this lake in 2 weeks, and hadn't been fishing in 2 weeks. I've been doing our Wounded Warrior stuff. Almost forgot where the plug was today. My little routine, but I got my new console. You can take a look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. Anyway, all excited about that. We'll see how that rolls and make sure it stays together today. But anyway, I'm gonna go try, once I get out here in the main lake, put into the villages here. And kind of hard to tell, but it feels a little windy, so I may run down south first, and then if I don't do any good there, I may come back up north. But anyway, y'all stay with me, see what happens. I'm keeping them today. It's not a catch and release anymore. We're done with that for a little bit. I need some more fish. Y'all have a good day. Take care. All right, today I'm going to use my black BoneHead rod. Tell you what, these things look beautiful, don't they? Look at that. I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to use little blue ice. Go ahead and leave everything intact. Oh, I'll pull that down. You can't see the tail. Pulled a little bit too far in there. Let's try that one again. Normally, this time of year I'm pulling off legs, and I was talking to Wired for Crappie, and I noticed he pulls the tail off and leaves the two legs. We're down here, we're pulling off we're pulling these two legs off here and leaving the tail. So I may give that a shot after a while if I don't get anything going, see what happens. But right now, I'm gonna go find myself a brush pile. Let's see where my point is, right over there. You know what, guys, this wind has really been bad this morning. Where I left, but I'm in a cove right now. It is amazing. It's real. I mean, it's enough wind for the sorry, let me adjust that, but it's enough wind for spot lock to keep up with. Move this up to a little higher, but it's enough wind for spot lock to keep up with, but it's not too bad. Oh, there's a big tree right there. Wow, big old tree. I'm kind of in a new area. Got a lot of something on it. Let's get a little closer so I can zoom into it. I got one finally. Not very big, didn't feel like, but he'll be a keeper. Yeah, maybe it's not. Check this one out. Just went right over that thing. Well, I got a fish though. Good size one. Decent sized crappie. Woohoo! There we go. Spot lock's not working. Yeah, a little bitty one. Little dink. Yeah. Well, guys, at this point, you can see me trying to talk, and well, there's no audio. My mic quit working. I guess I stretched at some point in time and pulled the jack out, so it looked like it's in there, but it's not. Batteries are fine. I'm just not producing sound. Sound is hooked to the front camera, so I guess in the future I'm gonna have to move it to the back camera because that seems to be the one that works the most. So I'm gonna measure this fish because he's a big one. I thought I got hung, and you saw me kind of delay, but yeah, he weighed 2.4 pounds and about 15.5 inches. I don't remember exactly, but here I am trying to talk to y'all, and well, there's no sound coming out. Hey guys, now's the perfect time. If you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do it. You can see all my my new shows that come out. So we fished a little bit longer right there, and it just didn't happen. So I'm moving up here about 200 feet. Get back in the river channel. Got it. Finally, we're back on the crappie again. So y'all are asking, the title says, what happened to my boat? Well, if you look at my boat, you've looked at other videos, you'll notice one difference right there. I've got a new console on the passenger side. That is something I bought with the boat originally, but it wasn't in, so they had to order it. It took about 3 months to get it. So now whoever's sitting on the passenger seat will not freeze to death during the winter time and not be blown out when I'm doing 60, 70 miles an hour. I don't do that very often, but good little thing. And also, you hear music in the background. I had a stereo installed because when I'm fishing by myself, you know what? I like to listen to a little music, relax. Yeah, I'm just checking to see if the camera's still on. Well, that's a good one. Oh man, he flopped on my phone. Got goop all over it. Right here is another piece of that video that, well, my front camera's working. This is the last shot it took, and there's no audio at all. So I'll just talk a little bit. Y'all like where my wireless mic is? Right there in my head. Looks like I have a big old giant piece of hair sticking out. only been normally just a couple. Then you gotta move. So guys, let me tell you about Lake Palestine. It's a very dangerous lake. Obviously I'm catching a fish here, that's great, but if you look at that buoy, just toward the left of the screen, you'll notice a stump sitting in the water. Guys, I hate to tell you this, I was fishing right there, but I never saw that stump until I'm editing this video. I'm looking forward, I'm looking at the Livescope, and at my fish, I never saw that stump. There are stumps everywhere, especially in the river channel in Lake Palestine. So make sure if you're out at Lake Palestine, you have a map that shows you where the stump fields are, because they will take your boat out. Well, at this point I'm packing it up, but I got into a little fight with my reel at some point, so I had a bunch of line out, and I figured let's go ahead and cut it all off and make sure that it doesn't get stuck on a limb or a log or a stump as I'm driving off and pull the pole in the water. So and then obviously wet fishing trip is complete without a selfie of your big fish. There we go. Oh yeah. 15 and a half inches, 2.4 pounds. Guys, thanks for joining us. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next show.